Hey friends, my name is John. Today I want to talk about a great scientist, a great politician leader, who not only achieved remarkable breakthroughs in missile technology, but also made us proud of his great works. So watch this video till the end, to know about such a great personality. Great personalities are not born every day, they are born once in a century and are remembered for millennials to come. One such great personality that we will always be proud of is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name was Abu Bakr Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam, born in Rameshwaram of Madras Presidency on the 15th of October 1931 and died on July 27, 2015, Shillong. He was an Indian scientist and also a politician leader, who later became the 11th President of India. He played an important role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons program. Although Kalam had average grades in school, he was very hard-working and had an immense desire to learn. He spent a lot of time studying and had developed a particular interest in mathematics. Kalam left Schwartz Higher Secondary School after completing his early education and went to St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. From St. Joseph's College, he graduated in physics in 1954. He moved to Madras in 1955 to study aerospace engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. Kalam joined as a scientist in the Aeronautical Development Establishment of DRDO in 1960 after graduation. His career started with him designing a small hovercraft. However, he was not convinced by his choice of a job at the DRDO. Kalam was transferred to ISRO in 1969, where he was the project director of India's first satellite vehicle launch. The satellite vehicle deployed the Rohini satellite successfully in near-Earth orbit in July 1980. Kalam received the government's LV and SLR projects between the 1970s-90s. He directed two projects like Project Devil and Project Valiant, which aimed at developing ballistic missiles from the successful SLV program's technology. Kalam then went on to become the scientific advisor of the Defense Minister in 1992 and served at the same post for 5 years before getting promoted to the post of Principal Scientific Advisor to the government. His immense role in 2012, he introduced a program called What Can I Give? Focusing on the theme of eradicating corruption from the country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one such personality who died at 83. It was shocking news for the entire country as a pure soul left us forever. Abdul Kalam, while delivering a speech for the youth in an event at IIM Shillong. During the middle of the speech, he suffered from a cardiac arrest and collapsed. Although he got admitted to the best hospital in Shillong, the doctors could not save him. Then his body was airlifted to Guwahati, and from there, it was taken to New Delhi in an Air Force plane. Their president, vice president, and some other leaders prayed for his soul. His body was then covered in the Indian national flag and brought to his hometown. About 35,000 people attended his funeral event and prayed for such a great soul. Dr. Abdul Kalam was a person who was not only a great political leader but also a good teacher and a writer. He had many delicate qualities and visionaries. He always had an excellent dream for the country's development and realized that the youth can bring revolution. During his university career, he inspired many of the students through his inspirational speech and tremendous visionaries. Apart from this drive, Kalam was a great writer. He has written several books, which are mainly meant for the nation's empowerment. His creation of India 2020 was like a gift for us, and he had all the strategies to make India a superpower. In this book, he had primarily focused on some factors like food and development in the agriculture sector, improved healthcare facilities, advanced information and communication system, good infrastructure, sufficiency in electricity production, self-reliance in some advanced technologies. This great personality will always be remembered by us and will remain in our hearts and minds. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and also like, comment and share for more updates. Thank you.